Hello, in this video we are going to use PyMOL, a molecular visualization tool that allows you to visualize protein DNA. So in this video we are going to visualize insulin. Insulin is a protein that controls how your body uses glucose. So those people with diabetes, if you have diabetes, I know you have heard of insulin. So today you're going to see the structure of insulin, how it looks like. So let's fetch it. So we're going to write fetch. So insulin is known as 4INS, insulin structure. So here is the insulin structure. You can see it. So this contains two molecules of insulin. The plus sign you are seeing in red color are water molecules. So let me remove one molecule of insulin so that the explanation will be better. So let me remove. It consists of 4 chains. So if I say, let me just look at this control panel, let me look at that L stands for label. Let me just say label by chain. You can see the chains A, B, C, D. So let me just clear it. So I just want to remove 2 chains. So I'm going to write remove. There's a panel command line here that allows you to write. So remove chain C plus D. You can see I have removed 2 chains, so now remaining 1 insulin molecules. What will happen next is that I want to introduce you to this panel on the right. A here stands for action, S here stands for show, H height, L label, C color. That means it allows you to color your molecules, to label them, to hide them, to show them in different format. So like the action A, you can zoom the molecules, you can see. You can also click, you can orient. You can see I've changed the orientation. So like I told you, these red positive signs are water molecules. So I want to remove them. Let me remove them. There is a place they wrote remove waters here. It's colored in, I say dark red, but if once I press it, you can see the water molecules have been removed. So next is I'll use this show. It allows you to show the structure, that's the insulin structure, the molecules in different formats. So let me see, let's show them as sticks. So show as, let me write show as sticks. You can see them as sticks. You can see how they look like. So you can see the bonds, you can see how the amine group and the carboxylic group are bound to form peptide bond. You can see the way the structure is. Let me return it to the cartoon shape. So let me show again, show as cartoon. So look at the cartoon shape. I know that insulin once, okay, let's show the H. The H means height. If you want to, you can hide everything. Let's hide, or if you wish to hide any part of the molecules, you can hide. Let's show it as a cartoon. Let's continue. Here the L stands for label. So let's label the chain. I know that insulin has 2 chains, chain A and chain B. So let's label by chain. You can see the chain A and the chain B. So the last one is color. So if you want to color, you color part of the molecules that you want to. So I know that, like we said, insulin has 2 chains, chain A and chain B. So let's color them by chain so that the chain looks different. So here I will color by chain. Look at by chain here, it is written in somewhere dark color. So let me click, look at, we have now colored them by chain. So if I want to again, I can label by the amino acid they have. So residue here means amino acid. You know, protein is a combination of amino acid that are linked by peptide bond. So let's look at them. Look at the amino acids. If you know amino acid, you know that proline, serine, glycine, valine, tyrosine, glutamine, serine. You can see here chain A starts from 1. Is it, I don't know whether it's phenylalanine or something. Let's see where it ends. It ends at alanine number 30. You can see, let's look at the other chain. The other chain where it starts from glycine. Look at, it ends at number 21. So that means overall the insulin molecules has 51 amino acid from the two chains together. So if you want to, I know that the insulin, let me clear it. I know that the insulin molecules has disulfide bond. So let's try to see the disulfide bond. I would try to show them as sticks so that you can see the disulfide bond that link them together. You can see it here. After I have, you can see the disulfide bond. Look at it here. So this is the disulfide bond that link the two chain A and chain B together. Let me label the chains so that you will see. You can see the chain A, the disulfide bond link the two chains together. So that is just it. That's how to use PyMOL to visualize protein structure. But before then, let me show them as sticks. Where is the sticks? Sorry, let me hide everything. Made a mistake. Let me show them as sticks. Where is the stick? Okay, here it is. So look at the stick of the two chains. Let me label them by their amino acid. Let's see. You can see them. Oh, even though it is compact, you can see this one is phenylalanine and this one is threonine. You can see them clearly. So that's just how you can use PyMOL to visualize your molecules. You can choose any protein you want to view. It is your choice. Thank you. Bye bye.